Bazzite versus Cachy, which gaming Linux distro is better? Choosing the right gaming Linux distro can transform your gaming experience without complicated setups. Bazzite offers stability and KDE integration, while Cachy focuses on AMD and NVIDIA gaming performance. Bazzite and Cachy are both Linux distros tailored for gaming but with different approaches. Bazzite emphasizes stability and a polished KDE desktop, while Cachy optimizes for AMD and NVIDIA hardware with custom configurations for smoother gameplay. Bazzite is a Linux distribution built on Arch Linux designed to provide a stable and user-friendly KDE Plasma desktop experience. It delivers a clean, visually appealing interface with pre-configured settings that focus on stability and performance. Bazzite includes the latest KDE Plasma 5 for desktop environment, offering smooth multitasking and customization options. It works by combining Arch's rolling release model with tested packages to maintain system reliability. Its strengths lie in its balance between cutting-edge software and stability, making it ideal for gamers who want a polished desktop environment without constant troubleshooting. However, Bazzite may not include all the latest gaming-specific drivers or kernel tweaks out of the box, which could limit performance on some hardware. The ideal user is someone who values a sleek KDE experience with solid performance and prefers a distro that just works with minimal setup, especially if they are comfortable with Arch-based systems but want an easier entry point. Cachy Linux is a gaming-focused Arch-based distro optimized specifically for AMD and NVIDIA GPUs. It features custom kernel patches and driver configurations aimed at extracting maximum gaming performance. Cachy works by integrating the latest Mesa drivers, Vulkan support, and proprietary GPU drivers with performance tweaks that reduce latency and improve frame rates. Its strengths include out-of-the-box support for AMD Ryzen processors and NVIDIA graphics cards, making it a go-to choice for users with these setups. Cachy also provides a streamlined installation process tailored to gamers, removing unnecessary packages to keep the system lean. However, its focus on performance means it may sacrifice some desktop polish and stability compared to more general-purpose distros. The ideal user is a gamer with AMD or NVIDIA hardware looking for a Linux distro that prioritizes raw gaming performance and is comfortable with a more hands-on approach to system management. Comparing Bazzite and Cachy highlights a trade-off between stability and gaming optimization. Bazzite is perfect for gamers who want a stable, visually refined KDE desktop with reliable software updates, suitable for casual to moderate gaming. In contrast, Cachy targets hardcore gamers using AMD or NVIDIA hardware, delivering better raw performance thanks to custom kernels and drivers. For example, if you prefer a hassle-free desktop that supports gaming alongside daily tasks, Bazzite fits well. But if you want to squeeze every frame out of your GPU and are willing to tweak your system, Cachy offers that edge. Both distros require some Linux familiarity, but Cachy demands more attention to updates and driver management. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize a polished user experience or maximum gaming performance. Choose Bazzite if you want a stable, KDE-based Linux distro that balances daily use and gaming with minimal setup and consistent updates. Opt for Cachy if you have AMD or NVIDIA hardware and seek the highest gaming performance with optimized drivers and kernels. It's ideal for users comfortable managing Linux who want to push their gaming experience further without compromising on hardware support.